That eco-toilet isn't saving water. It's failing hydraulics. Low flow doesn't mean efficient. It means clogs, double flushes, and compromised trapway design. Let's dissect the flush. First, trapway geometry. The S-bend isn't cute ceramic art. It's a fluid dynamics bottleneck. Narrower passages mean higher friction loss. You're trading velocity for volume. Enter the siphon jet. Modern codes slashed water from 6 gallons to 1.6, but siphon action needs momentum. Less water means less kinetic energy. The jet just plops, so manufacturers add a larger bowl. Great. Now you've got a shallow pool that doesn't seal the trap. Odor escapes, bacteria thrives. You just traded plumbing for biology. They panic. They add dual flush buttons, one for liquid, one for solid. Sounds smart. But it's just a pressure valve playing whack-a-mole with your expectations. Here's the skill issue. You can't cheat the Reynolds number. Turbulent flow clears debris. Laminar flow deposits it. You're asking for a clear drain with a trickle. That's not engineering. That's hope. And the greenwashing, real sustainability isn't a sticker on a porcelain tank. It's designing systems that actually work. You didn't save the planet. You just outsourced your plumbing failures to the municipal sewer. Let's talk latency. That second flush isn't efficiency. It's a retry loop. You're wasting more water resetting the system than a single optimized cycle would use. Double the effort. Zero gain. They narrowed the trapway to meet code. Now you've got a hydraulic choke point. Viscosity wins. Sludge sticks. You're not flushing. You're negotiating with gravity. 1.6 gallons became law in 1995. Congress wanted conservation. Engineers got a mandate to break physics. You can't shrink the fluid and keep the force. Math doesn't care about your carbon footprint. So what's the fix? Widen the trapway, restore the siphon jet. Let gravity do the heavy lifting. You don't need less water, you need better flow dynamics. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me 1.6 gallons is peak hydraulic design. I'll wait. Drop your preferred flush type below, and maybe check your pipes.